Okay, welcome back to the next video. I'm going to do a crazy challenge on this channel. I'm going to fill this washer up with water right to the top. This might be a very time consuming video, so bear with me. Yeah, this is going to be one of the craziest ones. I've no outside tap, so it'll have to be jugs of water for this video. So I'm hoping that this turns out well. I'm going to leave the washer door on while I'm going to pour it in, because I might chuck some in there as well at the same time as through the drawer. So yeah, hopefully this video will work. I'll be using a lot of water. So yeah, let's crack on and I'll get inside and get loads of jugs now. But before we crack on, don't forget to like and subscribe. I am going to do more challenges with this outside, because it is a controlled environment to do these silly things now. I've got some Coke and Mentos, so I'm going to do a Coke and Mentos one. So yeah, I'm going to try and aim to sort it out. So yeah, let me get jugs of water. This is one. As you can hear it now. I'm going to chuck some in here as well. There we go. I'm going to chuck some in here as well. I will move the camera closer. There we go. It's going. I just need to check that this camera's. I've got my water gushing out at the moment, so obviously this is going to be have to be. I don't know how long it's going to take, but there's quite a bit of water. There we go. It's not doing too bad, that. I should have put my walking shoes on, but never mind. I will do eventually. Yeah, but I will empty this water at the end. So yeah. Let's do another one on the drum. There we go. Another one through the drawer. Big cup full now. a minute I'll move the camera closer. So, where are we up to now? Just turn the water off because I'm going to show you now, and I'm going to put my walking shoes on. So where we're up to now is, as you can see, there's a bit of water in there. So let me might spin it. I'm just going to get my walking shoes on because it's going to end up being very messy. So just bear with me. I just need to get my shoes on. Look, I've got my walking shoes on now. Yeah. This is going to be a messy one. I'm in shorts and t-shirts, so obviously these aren't my best clothes. So yeah, I'm just going to, as you can see, there's loads of water in here. I am going to shut the door shortly and then fill it up to the top. So obviously just... This is the craziest challenge I've done on YouTube in 5 years. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So yeah, it is ready for the tips. I might as well do some crazy challenges with it. So obviously it's going to be very crazy. So yeah, I'm going to shut this now and then hopefully. There's no child lock on it, so at the end of the video I'll unlock it and watch water pouring out, so stay tuned for that one. It might take me another 20 minutes to do it, but we'll soon find out. So, back to the jugs of water. It'll help if the drawers are open. Hopefully it will be going up on the window in a few minutes. Water's just at the door now. I'm just going to show you now, just be quick because the water's still running. So yeah, that's where we're up to now with the water level. Yeah, just pouring it through there. Things I do for YouTube. Yeah, there we go. I'm just going to blow my nose in a minute because my nose is running. So yeah, it's just going up on the window there. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of mess now. Just let me bear with me check. I don't want to bugger this video up, you see, because this is a good one. So yeah, I've only been at it 10 minutes, so I'm not done with well there. Just let me blow my nose. filling up now. Ah, it's up to there now on the window. I'll just turn my water pressure up. Just up to there now. Oh, better than I thought this. Yeah, it's just up to the door now. I don't know if you can see there. I'll just bring the camera closer. There we go. Just up to there for now. I don't want to bugger this video up, you see, so I've got to make the most out of this one. I might do another chance, so... This is a bit of a bigger jug. Yeah, it's not that bad now. Might just need to sort my camera out though. It looks a bit lopsided. The amount of water I'm wasting at the moment. Oh no, it looks okay. Must be the thingamajigger. More water. Yeah, you can see it's just up there. Yep, it's doing well. I was going to open the door and put it up that way, but I can't now because the water's up in the window there. So yeah, we're going a bit higher. I'm going to fill it up to the top. It'll be interesting to see how far the drum actually moves back with the weight of this. Yeah, so yeah, it's up to there now. I was going to let the rainwater fill up, but it didn't really do now to this. I'll show you in a minute how high the water is. I just stopped it filling up because I'm just going to show you. Just show you now. Where we're up to. Water's at normal level there, is how high it would actually go on the washer. But yeah, I'm going to fill it right to the top. Yeah, so yeah, stay tuned. I'm pouring all the water down there. I will open this door at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay till the end. Ooh, look, I'm slipping all over the place here. Things I have to do for YouTube here. So yeah, let's see. I'll forget my jug. I will try and zoom this video in as well. I'll just turn the water pressure down. I've done well so far. This video's only been going 15 minutes and the water's more or less half at the jump. Made a right mess in the kitchen with mud. Just need to move this mat a little bit further, so I might have to do this a bit better. Getting water all over the place here. Princess to do for a video. just running a bit of hot water, so the pipe doesn't freeze up or something. Yeah, this is a bit of warm water now, because it's warm pipes up. I'll just show you now, just show you where we're at the water. As you can see, we're up to there. So yeah, I think I'm going to fill it up a bit more, and I'll show you again. It doesn't seem to be going up the drum now, so it will do. So yeah. Yeah, still filling. Oh, it failed. Right, something's happening here. Right, just bear with me. I think we failed here. I think I've look at that, it's buggered up, it's draining out there. Don't know that, I think I've bought the pump there. Do you know what, I'm going to open the door now. I think everything right there. Yeah, it's draining out there. Well, that's an utter fail. That's an utter fail. Oh, are we pumping out there? Yeah, I think it is. Okay. Well, that's failed, but you can watch it pump out anyway. Well, I've overfilled it a little bit, but yeah. Yeah. If you look behind here, I think I've broken the pump already. As you can see, it's pumping out from somewhere, but I don't know where. Just bear with me. It's pumping out somewhere over here. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, it looks like I've just broken the pump. As you can see, it's still draining out. It's going all over my oh, that's right, the pipe's there. Just bear with me, this might be the pipe that's come loose. Oh, has it? No, I think it's broke. I think I've knackered the pump, but never mind. As you can see, it's just coming out there. Oh my. Right, I'm going to do another video in a minute. Right, that video's gone a bit pear-shaped. So as you can see, it's pumping out there. To be honest, this is a godsend for my next challenge anyway that I'm going to do, because I needed it pumped out, otherwise I've got jugs of water. As you can see, it's pumping out there. That should just stop now. That should just stop pumping out now, as you can see. Well, oh well, but what I'm going to do is put the pump somewhere else. Just bear with me. I'll put this pump, I'm going to put the, oh bugger, I think I can, just bear with me. I don't know how this is going to work, but I'll just get the pipe out for you. Yeah, I think the pipe's knackered. Yeah, I think I've just broke the pump. Never mind. It was worth the go. Maybe with my next wash I'll be able to get somewhere, but it depends what washers decide to do what. But yeah, I'm a bit gutted that one's failed. But yeah, I'm going to do another video in a minute. I'm going to get my Coke and Mentos and watch it. Make sure you tune into the separate video for that one. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. That was the utter fail. Never mind. But yeah, I'll do a Coke and Mentos one now, but I can move the camera closer to this one. So yeah, so stay tuned.